Okay, so today we're gonna be recreating TikTok lock styles. I think I have 2, maybe 3 to recreate, and all of these are gonna be including claw clips. So I've been wanting to try this for a while, so let's get into it. Keep in mind, with locks, claw clips are not necessary to hold your hair up. It's literally just an accessory. We're not using it like it's meant to be used. So I'm gonna put on the screen the first one I'm trying. This one really interested me because I hadn't seen this approach before. So I'm using the stretchiest elastic that I have, and I'm gonna try to get all my hair back. I don't know if I can, but I'm gonna try to actually copy what she did. Oh, she has a side part. Hold on. My hair is a little bit curled, but it kind of failed because my hair is still damp. I thought it was going to be fully dry, but that's okay because I'm going swimming anyway. These layer pieces are probably going to stick up. I think I want to keep this out. Then she puts it in a ponytail at the back. Okay, this is my claw clip. She splits it in half. Twist this part. And then puts the claw clip on. I cannot tell if that's straight or not. Hold on. It is not straight. Okay, but because of all my layers, all of this is coming out. I'm just gonna use bobby pins and kind of secure it. Okay, this is the first style. Okay, so I think overall it's cute. I don't know if this method is the best for me, so let's move on to the next one. We're starting with a middle part, and then we're gonna section out this front piece. And then the rest of her hair goes up. Okay, and then some pieces are out. And this is put down, and it's going back. See, all of my little pieces are just sticking out. She just grabs a claw clip and sticks it at the top. So okay, so this is what it looks like, but she's using a much smaller claw clip, and I think that's my problem. I have these. Let me see. I think this is too small, probably. I'll try this one. Yeah, that looks way cuter. Okay, so that is what it looks like. I feel like I could fix the front more, but these little ones just don't want to stay in. Okay, we're gonna call this one done. Lock styles can be kind of stressful, but this is it. All right, I have one more to try. She leaves the bottom half of her hair out. Please ignore, I need to wax. Okay, I'm sweating. I think I'll use this side, this size. She has this section out, and then she ties it. And then she flips it up. So I think I prefer this method the most. Please ignore all of my postpartum baby hairs. It's kind of ruining the sleekness of this, but I think I'm going to change the front, but I just want to show you how it looks. So, but I'm going to change the front because I really don't think this is the most flattering on me. Like even this is better, you know? And then if I do both down, like this is way cuter to me. But what I was really thinking was to swoop it all over. Yeah, this is more my style. Okay, so yes, this is definitely my favorite. First of all, I love how she parted the back that way and then used that to secure the claw clip with, because that just makes more sense to me. Because locks are thicker than other hair textures, we really do have to modify and adjust the style to fit us. We can't just throw up all of our locks into a claw clip because it's so much, it's denser, it's thicker, it's heavier. So I love that she modified it in that way so that we're only really clipping up that back section. Realistically, I could even make that section smaller and still use that to use the claw clip and attach the claw clip. So you can modify that based on your hair density and the thickness of your actual locks themselves. But I personally like having this out like that. I know a lot of the, two of the styles, it was like in the middle and pinned back. I don't think that's as flattering on me and my face shape. I think this is more flattering because I have a round face. So if you also have a round face, definitely try the side swoop. It's really pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recreating TikTok lock styles. And I'm really not the best at lock styles, but I do like to modify and I do like to find styles that look the best on me. So I love finding inspiration on TikTok and Pinterest as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up and make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok because I will be posting short form content of this style and the styles that I've done in this video. So definitely make sure to check that out and I will see you in my next one. Bye.